Hello. As promised, I'm second. So, as we are waiting for the plays, this is also a night to acknowledge achievements. So we are going to we're going to acknowledge the photographers that, you saw the photographies and Pather Pachali. We're going to acknowledge and really root for our graduates and some of the younglings also who have done very well. So to do this, I would like to call to stage Ramesh Bhora, Alok Chakraborty, Amolinduda, Shikha Shaha, Nilima Bhirud, Lakshmi Chakore, and Chitra Gupta. If you are here in the audience, please come up to the stage. I can't see well because of the light shining into my eyes, but any of you here? Would you just please say yes, Ramesh ji? Don't hear him. Alok Chakraborty, Alok da? Amolindu da, I didn't see him so far. Shikha di? Okay, please. Okay, she's coming up, okay. Nilima, Bhirud, come over here. Please come up. Thank you. We need you to, give up the awards, please. Lakshmi ji, Lakshmi Chakore, and Chitra Gupta. So next I'm going to call, wow, this is a fall hazard, okay. So next I'm going to call Shudipa and Lipika with all the medals so that we can start with the distribution. So if you just don't mind handing over the medals, and then I'm going to call out the names of all the photographers first. So Shudipa, do you want to say a couple of words about Pather Pachali, or should we do that after? Okay. So in no particular order, I see that someone's name is on the top, so I'll call him first. Dr. Kaushik Sen. I don't know him well. Abhishek Chaudhary. There are 27 photographers that participated. Give them a big round of applause, please. No, let them go. There'll be too many people on the stage. Devojyoti, Poulomi, Devojyoti Lahiri, Poulomi Mojumdar. Prono Mojumdar is right over there. We acknowledge you. Ishita Ghosh. Why don't you give a medal to you too? Okay, then let's not be here then. Okay. Sheila Di, Sheila Bhattacharya. Nikhil Bhattacharya. Vidisha. Rajat Chauhan. Soumitra Sarkar. Rita Chatterjee, Ashok Chatterjee. Shubhrata Roy. Shubhrata. Yay, okay. Snehangshu Roy. Tushar Ghosh, Snehangshu Roy. Yeah. Thank you. We are playing round robin over here. Who gets to award a prize? Okay. Tushar Ghosh. Orun Bikash Das. Rudra Datto, my partner in crime. Here we go. Shobhik Chakraborty. Shalini Mitra. Sanjana Gupta. Shongita Nandi. Shantanu Mojumdar. Sritama Ghosh. Sritama. Shatodal Ghosh. Poulami Shannal. And Amitabh Dash. Amitabh Das, thank you. And now we are going to acknowledge and root for our graduates. So, Srijani Tokdar going to UNC Chapel Hill. A big round of applause, please. A little louder. These kids have really worked hard. Yes, that's it. Rishi Shaha. Okay, it's not Rishi, it's Rishi's mom. Let's give a bigger round of applause because she made it happen. Siona Maitra. Woohoo! Shrina Khot. Diana Bhattacharya, sorry. By the way, I forgot to say, Rishi Shaha is going to University of Florida, Siona is going to University of South Carolina, Shrina to Duke, Diana is going to UNC Greensboro, Trishana, Virginia Tech. Okay, Trishana's best friend here. Sharmil Das, UNC Chapel Hill. Do we have Sharmil here? No? Dikshita Bhomik, UNC Chapel Hill. Here we go. So those are our graduates this year. And now we have, our younglings who also did, a wonderful job. And I'm going to say why we're awarding them today. So Aharshi Chanda, rising 5th grader, ranked 6th nationwide this year in the math kangaroo competition. Aharshi Chanda. Okay. Anushka Gope, 8th grader at Alston Ridge Middle School and daughter of Anamika Ghosh and Shubhangshu Gope at the Science Olympiad State Tournament held at NCSU. Hey! You can that's fine. So Anushka is talking about Anushka. She earned first place in the water quality event and placed in the top 10 4 other events. Hi. So as team co-captain, she also led Alston Ridge Middle School to the Science Olympiad National University at the University of Southern California. For the first time in the school's history, on the national stage, Anushka and her team served as the official flag bearers for North Carolina. Way to go. Anushka placed in the top 20 nationally for the water quality event. Furthermore, under her leadership, Alston Ridge was the only middle school in the country to receive the prestigious Olympic Spirit Award, which included a $2,000 grant for excellence in sportsmanship and teamwork. Wonderful. Congratulations. Our next is Ishani Rawat. She received the Gold Award from TMSA and graduated from elementary to middle school with straight A's during a very difficult 2026 school year. She is one of the most brave little ones that I've ever seen. Congratulations. Next, we have Oishani Mukherjee, a fifth grader of Mills Park Elementary School. Oishani and her Odyssey of the Mind team won the regional tournament and the North Carolina State tournament, earning a place at the Odyssey of the Mind World Finals. They have disappeared so fast. Okay. Rukmini Majumdar, 8th grader at the Guy Phillips. So she is going to be a rising freshman. She's going to attend Phillips in Exeter, North Hampshire from September. So awesome. Ahana Mukherjee, a senior at UGA and the music director of their a cappella group Kalakar. Recently arranged Gehera Hua from the film Dhurandhar. The performance has received an incredible response, garnering over 2.9 million views on Instagram alone. The rendition was shared by the film's music director, Shashwat Sachdev, as well as Geo Studios and B62 Studios, and was even featured by Times Now as the Dhurandhar 3 anthem. Wow. Wonderful. And now, last but not the least, Anaya Dhar and Aura Guha. They're very good friends, worked on a summer impact project last year. Their dedication, compassion, and determination have made a real difference in the lives of others. They did a fundraiser for the Impact Dialogue Foundation, an organization dedicated to helping survivors of human trafficking to rebuild their lives with dignity and hope. Through their hard work and commitment, they raised $2,000 and successfully achieved it with the support of this community. More importantly, they helped raise awareness for a cause that deserves attention and support. Their efforts demonstrate that age is no barrier to making a meaningful impact. They are not here? Okay. So they missed all my presentation? Okay. Ahana, would you be able to say something? That'll be great.
Thank you so much. I just wanted to thank everyone for the kind words and the recognition. Truly, this accomplishment would not have been possible without the support from the community, from all of the Monday classes in Masha Tamashi's basement to the performances that we've done as a community. Truly, I'm so blessed to share this achievement with you all. I wanted to briefly talk more about what a cappella is. So this type of art is created entirely with the voice. So melody and harmony, bass lines and percussion fill the sounds that instruments normally occupy. And within a cappella, there are different styles that exist. So for you pitch perfect lovers out there, that's an example of one. But there's also something that I have personally pursued in college, which is South Asian fusion a cappella. As music director of my team, UGA Kalakar, I arrange the music and I teach my team, and we travel across the US nationally competing and performing. And in 2024 and 2025, we were ranked among the top 8 in the nation. And apart from all of this, we work on albums. We recently released one at the end of last year, Sitare. We perform locally, and we work on social media projects like the reel that many of you have seen. You can check us out at UGA Kalakar on Instagram. So I wanted to tie this back to you high school graduates, and anyone who's graduating out there. College is truly where you discover your niche and your passions. And for me, it was combining two things that matter deeply to me, music and culture. And so my message to the class of 2026 is There is a place for everyone in college, and I want to reassure you to stay open to new opportunities and communities because you may discover those passions and talents that you never expected. So thank you so much to this community once again for your time, your love, and your blessings.
What an achievement. So another big round of applause. Woohoo! Hey, get some noise over there. And we missed one. Rohan Shaha, an 8th grader who has been a Porch Student Ambassador since March 2025, actively conducting seasonal food drives and donating to the local pantry at Dorcas Ministry. This spring, to expand his scope, he reached out to some of the Sankalp RTP Bengali community members who we know and gladly received immense support from, collecting almost 160 pounds of food from the community. Rohan would like to sincerely express his gratitude towards his Mashis who supported him in this drive. Hope that he continues to fight against hunger by converting kindness to meals for the needy. So, Rohan. Let's just, I know everybody's kind of going that way. Please come over this side so that everybody can see everyone, and then we can all come over. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so parents and anybody wants a picture, please go ahead and take a picture of these beautiful kids. What are you doing? You're coming this side again, all of you. Oh my God, that's good. Okay, just for photos. I wanted your photos to be taken. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. So thank you to all the children. Thank you to all the presenters. Thank you.